The interesting thing about the forum was that, for example, the European Commission representative Ariane Svegos was present, and we got first-hand insights into the proposal for the European Chips Act 2.0, and that we had an opportunity to directly interact and give our feedback to the proposal. That was highly appreciated. So it's my second time to Valencia at all, and so I very much enjoyed the flair of the city, and it's the first time at the Valencia Silicon Forum for me, and I very much enjoy the place, the forum, and also the people invited. It's a nice and friendly atmosphere, and yeah, so the city is